Have you come across MrBeastHub, Casvek, or Banawex online? If so, you're probably asking the same question as everyone else. Are these platforms actually legit, or are they just another scam waiting to take your money? Let's break it down. First, it's important to be careful. Many websites promise huge rewards, easy money, or amazing deals. But not every platform delivers what it advertises. That's why doing your own research is always a smart move. Starting with MrBeastHub, some users are attracted by claims of giveaways, rewards, or connections to the famous YouTuber MrBeast. However, you should verify whether the website has any official connection before sharing personal information or making payments. Fake websites often use popular names to gain trust. Next is Casvek. Before signing up, take a close look at the website. Does it clearly list contact details? Is there a privacy policy and terms of service? Can you find genuine customer reviews from multiple sources? If important information is missing, that's a warning sign you shouldn't ignore. Then there's Banawex. Like any online platform, you should check its reputation carefully. Look for independent reviews, recent user experiences, and any reports of payment problems or poor customer support. If people are consistently reporting the same issues, it's worth paying attention. A good rule is to never rush. Scammers often create a sense of urgency. They may tell you that an offer expires today or that you need to act immediately. Legitimate businesses usually give you time to make a decision. Also, avoid sending money or uploading sensitive documents until you've confirmed the platform is trustworthy. Use secure payment methods whenever possible, and be cautious if you're asked to pay using cryptocurrency or gift cards, since those payments are often difficult to recover. So, what's the final verdict? At the moment, you should approach MrBeastHub, Casvek, and Banawex with caution until you've verified their legitimacy through reliable, independent sources. A professional-looking website alone doesn't prove that a platform is genuine.